Hey guys, Coleman here, and today I'm going to shoot my BB gun. That hit my head.
That
hit my head. That hit my head.
Okay, where did it hit your head? Yeah. Okay. You know, like you just...
You're going to have to stand up. You're going to have to stand up.
Okay, I'm going to get shot here.
You're going to have to stand up.
But hello! Wait a second! I hope I'm not standing on a cat here. No, I'm standing on a...
Oh, monkey, get out the way.
You guys probably can't see it.
Wow.
Look right on the bottom of this. Yeah. I'm not going to do any damage. See if I can do it upside down. The upside down shot. Put it on the camera. Put it on the both. Well, that's cool. See if that's done. Come on.
Best cousin on camera.
Whoa. You're not really. Chloe is.
Oh.
Yeah,
Monkey.
you should know you got shot anyway.
Hold the camera. I'm going to go. Monkey.
Hey guys. It may seem boring. Me just making a YouTube video about my BB gun. I've been there all day. As you can see.
Say goodbye to
And yeah,
say goodbye
I'm just trying
to
to.
people, monkey.
Monkeys.
Say goodbye to them.
Monkey, say hi.
Meow.
Monkey.
Meow.
Okay, bye.
Oh.
That was me.
Oh,
Mm. Nah. Nah.
guys sound like a sheep.
So is that the video ended?
See you guys later. And yeah, I'm trying to edit all my GoPro videos together, and I will see you later. Peace.